So I built my aircraft carrier today. There it is. And on the aircraft carrier, I have one bomber. I have four small fighters. 1, 2, 3, 4. I built a little scout ship here, and I put this little device here on top that moves. It's a little GPS tracker. Their global camera. It's how we map out new places we go. And then it also has sort of an advanced fighter, long-range fighter. And that ship is just made for really just transporting. It's pretty solid. So you got all these little ships on it. And I just built it with spare Legos.